So our database is created. Now let's open our index.php. As you can see, we have some basic structure of the page already here. After the image toolbar, let's create a new line and let's create a link to our CSS file. I'm just going to use one of the snippets here. So link href equal, and now we provide a path to our CSS. So we're going to start with style / core.css. As you can see, inside of the styles folder, we've got a file called core.css, and then obviously rel style sheet type text / CSS. Now inside of the body, in between the body tags, let's start typing div id ph. Inside of this div, we're going to create another div with the ID of PHIN, pre-header inside. Inside of this one, we will create the link ahref, and now it's just a / because we want to link directly to the same page. Now class, we're going to apply class logo. Inside of this link, we're going to create span, just a span with multi-page form. And then after the span, let's create another one, em. You can put obviously whatever you want here. I'm just creating this for the purpose of this tutorial. So by Sebastian Sulinski. Okay, now that we have our link, next thing will be our navigation. So ul id mnv for main navigation. Inside of this navigation, we create one li tag with link href $p submissions, and the link name will be submissions. We're obviously using dynamic URLs here. If you would like to learn how to create static looking URLs, please refer to one of our previous tutorials. Okay, after our pre-header, we are going to create the div with the ID of WR for wrapper. And this is basically where our content will be going. So after this wrapper, we create another div with the ID of FT for footer. Inside of this div, we're going to create the paragraph again. Whatever you're going to put here, it's up to you. I'm just going to type multi-page form by an ahref, link to my website, http www.sebastiansulinski.co.uk. Title web design tutorials. I want to do the target blank, and we're going to put the web design tutorials as a key in between the opening and closing A tags. And we after the link, we can also put 2 dots and Sebastian Sulinski design. Okay, so we've got our pre-header, wrapper, and footer. So we've got the entire structure. Now in the next video, we're going to slice all this and put it into the header and footer, which will be later included inside of our modules.